Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a flower with green ribbon. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need approximately 1 yard of green ribbon, ideally about 1/2 inch wide. Make sure you have a good pair of sharp scissors, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, and a ruler for precise measurements. For the flower's center, you might want a small button or a piece of floral wire to add structure and detail. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start forming our petals. Take your green ribbon and cut it into 5 equal pieces, each measuring about 6 inches in length. Precision here helps create a uniform flower. Next, fold each 6-inch ribbon piece in half, bringing the ends together to form a neat loop. Apply a tiny dot of hot glue to the folded end to secure the loop. These 5 perfectly formed loops will serve as the beautiful petals for your ribbon flower. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble the flower. Arrange the 5 ribbon loops in a circular pattern on your work surface. You'll want to overlap the glued ends of each loop slightly, creating a continuous circle. Carefully apply a small amount of hot glue to secure each overlapping point, holding it gently until it sets. Finally, add a decorative center, such as a small button or a bead, to complete your lovely ribbon bloom. To add some finishing touches and explore creative ideas, consider experimenting with different ribbon widths. A wider ribbon will yield a larger, fuller flower, while a narrower one creates a delicate bloom. You can attach a small stem using floral wire to incorporate your flower into a bouquet or centerpiece. For a wearable accessory, simply glue a pin back to the reverse side. Don't hesitate to use 2 different shades of green ribbon for added visual depth and interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.